Hey guys! Today, I will show you how you can watch the new Premier League season online, on your phone or computer. Make sure to watch the video until the end, so you don't miss out on any steps. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. First, open your favorite browser. Then, type Sky Sports in the address bar. After clicking on Enter, a new page will open. Click on the first link on the page. After clicking on the link, Sky Sports will open in front of you. You will see a sports option on top. Click on it. After clicking on the sports option, you will see many options. Click on football from them. After clicking on football, the football section will start opening in front of you. Here, you need to scroll down a little and click on Live. After clicking on Live, the section of live matches will open in front of you. Here, you need to scroll down and see where you see the Premier League match. As soon as you see it, click on the icon. By clicking on the icon, a new page will open in front of you. Here, you need to scroll down all the way. After scrolling down, click on Get a Sky Sports Pass. After clicking on Pass, the Pass section will open in front of you. You can see here that there is a sale on Black Friday, which is 50%. You are getting a €34 membership for only $17.49 a month. If you want to just click on Pass, you need to scroll down here. And here, you will see the option, Choose Membership. Click on it. After clicking on it, all the memberships that Sky Sports offers will appear in front of you. This is the way to watch a Premier League live on mobile or laptop.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.